Hi friends, thanks for joining me for 14 days of Valentine's Day cards. Today is day 3, and so if you missed days 1 and 2, you can check out the playlist and get all caught up. There are other collaborators, and I want you to please check them out as well. Give them some crafty love. And if you would like to participate, you sure can do that. And I would love it if you did. If you're not a content creator, you can post in my Facebook group, Creating with Jovi Journals and Crafts. And if you are a content creator, then just tag me and I will not miss your video, which would make me so happy because I don't want to miss your video. Let's go with this. What do you say? So in the first video, I shared with you that I had cut some 12 by 12 scrapbook paper into 4 by 6 sizes, and that's what we're using. So I'm trying to use up that pad that I had got so many years ago at Tuesday morning. That's what we're going to start with, and then we're going to go over top of it with this, and I'm going to cut it right here at this bend, and then I'll also take a little bit off the top. Let's go ahead and try this on for size. Oh, I like that. I think that's great. Okay. We should ink it first. My other ink pad, that is pink, is getting kind of dry. So I ended up getting this ink pad, which is pink also, but it's much brighter. And matter of fact, it's called Bright Pink. So that's what we're going to use today. Let's see how this works for us. Oh yeah, it's definitely brighter, but I think it works. It's Valentine's, so I think that works quite well. And before I get started, I need to peek inside and make sure I'm not holding it upside down. No, we are good to go. Because all of them have like the images on the inside, and so I don't want to glue anything on upside down. All right, so I'm going to just use my gem tack. No, I'm using my tacky glue. I'm using my Aleene's tacky glue to get this base glued down. Do you have plans for Valentine's Day? I don't know if we do. So I guess my answer is thus far we do not. But let me know if you do have plans. There we go. Friends, a crafty friend sent me these amazing flamingo stickers, and it says, "Love with you, be mine." I say, let's go ahead and have a little bit of fun and use some of these on this card. Now let's play around just a little bit. So I have this felt heart, which we could use the whole thing. We could use half of it. Oh, look at that. We could use the whole thing. And then we could put flamingos on it. Let's try that out. Whoops, let's see how that might look if I did it like this. And then let's just say the other one was here, and then like this was here. That's cute, guys, don't you think? I say let's go for it. We're gonna just go for it. So I am gonna use this tacky glue on this heart here. Hopefully that works. I don't see why it wouldn't work. Maybe I'll put just a dollop of hot glue just to make sure that we're not gonna have any problems with it. Sometimes I like to double up like that. Gonna press that down. I might have to disguise that now. I don't know if you can tell, but the hot glue is coming up through that felt just a little bit, and I don't like that. So let me find something that I could use there. How about this adorable sparkly heart? I'm thinking that'll work. So I'm actually gonna put another squirt of hot glue on it and put that right there. There we go. Okay. Now I'm still going to use my flamingos, but I just wanted to get that, that weird area covered. We're just going to take these off of here and just play for a minute. So it would be like, we could put them here like this, and then the heart is there, and then this could go here. Oh, I love it. What do you guys think? So I'm going to go ahead and add a little glue to this heart just to make sure it sticks. That down here. Perfect, right? Love it. And I'm going to do the same here for these flamingos just to make sure. You know what? Maybe I should use hot glue on these. You guys, I love how this turned out. I hope you do too. I think it is incredibly adorable. Let me get it close for you. Look at that. Isn't that so cute? Yeah, so cute. Friends, please check out all of the other collaborators and play along if you'd like. You can tag me if you do socials, and if you don't, please share in my Facebook group, Creating with Jovi Journals and Crafts. And thanks for watching. See you soon.